Coucou les amis, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here. We are gonna get this video started. I am going to clean and get rid of anything that is fall except for my wreath because I am trying to fool my neighbors on thinking I still decorating for fall when inside actually it's all Christmas item. Until next week, at least. So I'm just gonna dust and remove everything that is fall off this front patio, and also inside. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me and let's get this day all taken care of. So guys, on this day, it was so hot. It didn't even feel like it was fall, but this state is very bipolar. Today, they will have snow. Tomorrow, it will be sunny. So you really don't know, but that's not gonna stop me for doing my Christmas decoration. So I'm going to go ahead and add those two chairs right here, which I love. These brands, it's from Target, but I got it at Goodwill, and I have a set of 3, the 2 chairs and a love seat, which I'm going to show you pretty soon. And I really love those. I don't want to add any type of pillows on them because I know it's going to snow soon. I just want to leave it like that just to revamp the front door. So guys, what do you guys think? I really like the way it turned out with the 2 greeneries and the chair and the love seat. I love it, guys. I think it looks really nice. So guys, we are now in the living room and I'm really happy to remove all the fall decoration because I know Christmas is coming up, but I'm really sad to have my house so plain without any color, so makes me really sad. But you're going to see what I mean. So guys, I'm removing the pumpkin that was on the flowers and just leaving it bare because it's not time for pumpkin right now. So I'm just going to remove it and just keep it the way it was originally, simple. So guys, I went in and I removed everything that is fall, at least on the couch and on the sofa. So I'm happy with that. But I just think it looks so bare without the colors. But we are going to move to the mantle and remove everything that is over there. So I didn't have a lot of Christmas decoration, but what I had, I really liked. And I think they had a purpose where they were. But I like to start a new decoration with everything being bare. So I'm going to remove all the orange candles and pumpkin and my garland. And I'm just going to leave it bare until next week and decorate for Christmas. Who is excited? Who is excited? Me. So we're entering my entryway and I just have one fall candle which I'm going to remove, which is very simple. So guys, this is what I removed so far. I didn't have a lot of fall decor. I didn't have any fall decor upstairs at all. So I'm going to go ahead and do the fun part. Just clean the remaining of everything. and put this away. I'm really sad because my house is so bare. Look at it. Just no colors. Well, except for the blue. But apart from that, yeah, unfortunately, we have to get rid of it so we can get things done for Christmas, which will be next week. Hopefully you will stay tuned and watch it. Let's go and get cleaning. Okay, guys, so I got everything cleaned out. Sorry for the noise. I think my neighbor is doing something. Not quite sure what it is, but I dusted everything off and I cleaned everything here. We are just going to go and put everything back in the garage and wait until